Introducing the Tohnichi 2200 Newton meters torque wrench tester manual loader from Flexible Assembly Systems. This robust and reliable tool is designed to ensure the accuracy and precision of your torque wrenches. Engineered by Tohnichi, a leading name in the industry, this torque wrench tester combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. Covering a wide torque range from 20 to 200 Nm, this tester accommodates various applications, making it an indispensable tool for industries such as automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. The manual loader allows for precise and controlled application of torque, providing accurate and repeatable measurements. With an impressive accuracy of 1%, this torque wrench tester ensures utmost reliability and confidence in your torque readings. The tester features a clear and intuitive display, enabling users to quickly and effortlessly read the torque values. Built to withstand rigorous use, the Tohnichi 2200 Newton meters torque wrench tester is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and durability. Elevate your torque wrench calibration and testing capabilities with the Tohnichi 2200 Nm torque wrench tester manual loader. Its wide torque range, exceptional accuracy, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Invest in this top-of-the-line torque wrench tester and experience the confidence and peace of mind that comes with accurate and calibrated torque wrenches.